Some friends may ruin you, but a real friend will be more loyal than a brother. Proverbs 18 verse 24. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another installation video, and today I'm featuring RPGSHOWHair. So this hair is the Anthony cut asymmetrical bob. I wore this hair for my birthday and I got so many questions about this hair and where it's from and all of that stuff. I did mention where it's from, but you guys actually wanted to see a review. So this is me reinstalling this wig. The actual process behind this hair was pretty straightforward. The knots already came bleached and it already came pre-plucked. I actually had to do minimal plucking because I'm extra. You don't have to do plucking, but I'm extra, so I did minimal plucking. I'm going to insert a clip of how the hair looked when it first arrived. Best thing about this hair for me is the cut. The cut is just so perfect. Like, they took their time. It's just so perfect. The cut just makes so much sense. At first I was like, this is a bit long. I think I did trim the right side, my right side, because it was a bit too long. So I did trim it literally at the tiniest amount. It was a pretty easy install. The only thing I would say about this hair is that it didn't fit my head comfortably. Like, it could fit my head if I had to put it a bit forward and squeeze on the other side, but comfortably it didn't really fit my other side of my head, which is fine because the right side is covered by the hair that falls over my face, so it wasn't really a big deal for me, but ideally it should really fit my head. The hair itself is actually top quality. It was very easy to bump and straighten, and I didn't apply any product to this hair. This is literally its natural luster. And especially because it's a bob, like, you really don't want to weigh down the hair, so I just literally straightened the hair straight out I didn't apply any product whatsoever. And I really love this wig. Like, this wig, it's an occasional wig. I can't wear it anyhow to anywhere, okay? So I only wear this on special occasions from now on because of how good it is. The only thing I would say is I wish the lace was a HD lace. Like, the lace for me is still quite visible, but it's not like crazy visible. You can see the lace, but then you can't. It's very hard. Like, if you have an eye for detail, you'll be able to see the lace, but from far, like, you won't be able to detect it. I didn't want to have to go through the wahala of cutting my own hair on my birthday. I knew I wanted an asymmetrical bob, but I knew for a fact I am not cutting this hair by myself. So yeah, when I found out RPG Show did these kind of bobs, I was like, yeah, I need to get one. And I love that. I love the fact that in the box they provide you with everything that you need. They provide you the scissors, the tweezers. When I saw tweezers, I was like, oh my gosh, they have tweezers. They provide you with the razor comb that used to cut your lace. It's very, very helpful. And yeah, this is literally one of my favorite wigs. And if it was a HD lace, that would have been the most perfect wig ever, but it's not, unfortunately. So I have to manage what I have. But besides that, I really, really love this wig. You guys know how much I've actually wore this on my Instagram page before actually making the review. That's how you can tell when I like a wig. If I've made several videos with the hair on and several pictures with the hair on, then you know I like it. And I wore it for my birthday, please. I like the wig. So that's literally it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy the rest of it. Just watch me install it and style it, and all the details on the hair will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.